Goodbye. Okay. Yes.
Bye bye. Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a Senegal bichir fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is a turtle.
Okay. Yes.
Look at this. It is a angel fish.
Bye bye. Yummy, yummy. Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a broomfish.
Goodbye. Okay.
Look at this. It is a glowfish.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Look at this. This is tilapia fish.
Yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. It is a snow white fish.
Goodbye.
Look at this. It is an angelfish.
Bye bye. Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a pearl gourami fish.
Mmm, yummy, yummy.
Look at this. It is a Senegal bichir fish. Look at this. It is a glowfish.
Oh no!
Look at this. It is knife fish. Look at this. This is tilapia fish. Look at this. This a turtle.
Goodbye. Okay.
Look at this. This a catfish.
Yes.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And
Bye-bye.
everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. This a Senegal bichir fish.
School one day, it followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently.
Look at this. This a channel fish.
Patiently about and waited patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so. Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Oh, no.
The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. This a red-tail catfish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. This a goldfish.
Uh-oh.